I will never take cough medicine again, as I used to have chronic bronchitis until I discovered mullein leaf. Now, I used to drink it in a tea, but I have since converted over to this mullein and chlorophyll tincture that you just mix with water. Now, I take this 3 to 5 times a week in the morning before I exercise, and then I make sure I liberally hawk twa, or, expel dirty mucus through loogies. In this little copper dish my friend gave me, she said it channels the energies correctly. I don't know what that means, but it's kind of cute, so here we are.